Let me show you this POC about downloading and installing applications that are unauthorized from the Oculus Store from inside the Quest. So here I'm inside the Quest, and as you can see in this store of mine, I'm downloading the game. Then there is this pop-up on Android that is a bit annoying, so I accept it, I install the application, and then I can play it. It's interesting to see that I'm not going to PC install through SideQuest or ADB. I'm just installing and launching the application from inside the Quest, so without removing the headset, without a companion PC. And then after that, you will see me returning to the store and then relaunching the application again. This method is pretty nice. Of course, it's just POC I made and I'm considering putting the code on GitHub, so I'm thinking about it. I think it can be a nice idea, but it's pretty rough at the moment and there are some problems, but it's okay. I love it.